CQ, 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 CQ. CQ, 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 CQ40, CQ40, CQ40. This is AP2NB, AP2NB, calling, AP2NB calling. Alpha Papa 2, tell number Alpha Papa 2, William Foxtrot. This is AP2NB calling and standing by.
Alpha Papa 2 Nancy Baker. This is Alpha Papa 2 Nancy. Able Papa 2 Tokyo, Norway. With Alpha Papa 2 William, Florida. बुखारी साहब, अभी वासे भाई ने आपको पास ओवर किया था, तो हम यही समझे थे कि आप हमारी फ्रीक्वेंसी पर आ जाएंगे, लेकिन आप अभी भी खासे हायर हैं। QRX, just QRX.
NB, AP2WF, AP2TN. Bukhari Sahab, please try to tune lower. I think Vase couldn't copy you because he was lower than your frequency, and the frequency of AP2TN and WF is about the same. So if it is possible, please come down. You are around about 7,107 or something like that. So if you come down, it would be okay. Then Vase will not have to change over, because for me it's not difficult to tune you. But for SSB station, when once it is tuned, it takes a bit of time. So you are coming here still very, very strong, and on that frequency mostly the people don't work. They come on the lower side. Although sometimes there may be few people working on that frequency, but mostly they are working on the lower portion between 7 megacycle to 7080, something like that. And in that it is possible that you will get a call, answer of your call from someone. So if it is possible, please try to tune on Vase's frequency or on this frequency where I am speaking at the moment, and it will be quite okay. You have a very, very good signal, 5-9 plus, and Vase, your signal is also 5 and 9 plus, comparable, nothing wrong with it. And I hope when you start working DX, you will get quite a lot. It's a matter of tuning. When you get it tuned, you see, to the frequency, then there is no trouble. Maybe sometime you see, there is some difference in the frequency of the other stations, because we all are not very, very accurate as far as this frequency is concerned, just roughly, but although it is within the amateur band. So Vase, my congratulations to you on getting DX last night, and I wish that you get many more. So I will give it to Tarek, who will pass it over to AP2NB, and then AP2NB will pass it over, and you please try to listen to AP2NB. You couldn't listen to Vase because you were listening lower and he was higher. That's the only difference. So here is Tarek, you see.
बाकी वासे भाई, बहुत बहुत मुबारक हो आपको। आपने रात कुछ डीएक्सिंग की यूके और यूए स्टेशन वगैरह आपने वर्क किए है। UA9, यूनियन एबल 9 या यूनियन किलो 9 खासा दूर है, तो मेरा ख्याल है आपकी यूरोप भी आप बआसानी पकड़ सकते हैं। फरक साहब ने तो कुछ यूरोपियन स्टेशन और किए हैं इसी से, तो बाकी आपका सिग्नल बहुत अच्छा है। फरक का सिग्नल जो था वो रिजॉल्व भी नहीं होता था, बड़ी मुश्किल से हम फरक को रिजॉल्व करते थे, बहुत देर लगती थी ट्यून करने में, लेकिन आपको हम फौरन और आसानी से ट्यून कर लेते हैं। बिल्कुल क्लीन सिग्नल है आपका, और मैं आपको अपर साइड बैंड पर कॉपी कर रहा हूँ, बहुत अच्छी तरह से, कोई किसी किस्म की दिक्कत नहीं है। 5-9 प्लस सिग्नल है। तो बाकी बुखारी साहब का सिग्नल बहुत स्ट्रांग है, 5-9 प्लस 60 dB, बिल्कुल रेडियो पाकिस्तान लाहौर की तरह बहुत स्ट्रांग सिग्नल है, लेकिन है खासा हायर। तो अब देखते हैं वो आगे होंगे नीचे हमारी फ्रीक्वेंसी पे। बुखारी साहेब कोशिश कीजिए कि आप मुझे और वासे को बीट कर सकें। तो देखते हैं। ओवर टू यू। अल्फा पापा 2 नैन्सी ब्रावो AP2 and B. This is AP2TN with Alpha Papa 2 William Florida. Go ahead Bukhari sahab.
I heard you all extremely well, and now I have tried to retune myself slightly lower, but I think the unfortunate thing is I tune you gentlemen on to the receiver and then net my transmitter with it. I really don't know how high or low I still am. So I shall give you a brief QRX so that you can really tell me where do I now stand. AP2 and B standing by for AP2 10 November and AP2 William Foxtrot. Lower say 30 to and we will be getting you quite okay. There is nothing wrong with your TX and it's working a lot better than we expect, you see, because our results are not so good. This TX which we are holding is not so good because of the defect in 2 of its tubes, 6CL6s. I am trying to get new one for Tarek, and when we replace them I hope it will work okay. But yours is working very nicely and it's a lot better than this one. So please come down about 35 to 40 kc, then you will be quite okay. Maybe our bandwidth is slightly more, so please try to tune in the center or on the lower side. Our signal slightly lower, then it will be quite okay. Vase will be able to copy you. In the meantime, you try to tune, and I will pass it over to Vase to say a few words in his over to you, and then pass it over to you. So AP2WF to take it, AP2TN with AP2NB listening. Go ahead please.